Equipped with a duplex print platform and 4 Epson i3200 print heads, it delivers high output and exceptional quality, all in one machine. Step 1. Lay the t-shirt flat on the platform. Heat press for 10 seconds at 160 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Without dilution, evenly spray the pre-treatment liquid onto the t-shirt, about 2 to 3 times. Step 3. Bake the t-shirt at high temperature for about 3 minutes until it is completely dry. Step 4. Place the t-shirt into the printer and start printing. Step 5. Put the finished t-shirt into the oven for high temperature curing for 5 minutes to make the design more durable and wash resistant. Fix the light-colored shirt on the printing platform, remove lint, and smooth it out. You can pre-coat the fabric with pre-treatment liquid diluted 119 to enhance color fastness. Then start printing. After printing, cure at high temperature for 3 minutes. The colors are natural and clear, with even the finest lines rendered precisely. Sublistar DTG 4050II, your efficient and professional t-shirt printing solution.